The Hellcat, boy.
There's no keys, but oh my god.
You wanna hear my rice?
Dude. Hello, we outside. You guys see the first view Shelby GT500 super sneak. Got the clips on here. Okay, with the hood already open. We're starting off with fire today, boy. Hello, with the green belt. Haha.
Oh, it's modded, huh?
Oh. You want me to do the honors or what? Hello. Gotta go crazy in the Shelby GT500, boys.
Is there a key?
No key. On the rep.
Should I push it and then you just pop it into second gear?
Shelby.
And it's convertible too. They don't really make a lot of convertible Shelbys.
I'll take a convert. You got some fatties in the back.
Leather.
Alcantara. It's got the automatic. Weak. Smells brand new. Has 7,000 miles. That's why. Why is it?
All right. As you can see, we're back over here at the Manheim in Phoenix. We got a Corvette over here. It says key at lot, silver. We're just gonna be popping in and popping out of this because we got this Porsche right here. Damn, peep the Macan, cuz. GTS. Okay, over here in Phoenix, it's like 110.
It's a GTS, no keys.
No keys. STI joint. Oh, we got a Hellcat right next to it. Hell keys, it could. We got the Hellcat right here. This is a skinny body. Oh, there might be. What? There's keys in here.
It's a what?
It's a skinny body. It's not a wide body. But oh, we do got the red key. Should I drive off with this or what? What are we looking at? Damn, 40 roll. This is the type of shit that excites me. I'm gonna rev it on him. Sheesh. Boy, I'm in the Hellcat, boy. This ain't no red eye, but it's a damn. So this one gets leather, everything.
You got 2 keys in this home.
Damn.
2 of them or 3 of them? 3 of them.
4.
4 of them.
2 red keys, 2 black keys. Damn, bro, this steering wheel's nice too. I'm so geeked. I'm stupid geeked right now. Oh, big stock.
Stocked out.
That supercharger's pretty massive, huh?
Oh yeah.
You got content for days over here, no cap. What did that say? Oh, you got traded in that Tesla.
You said I want to clean.
I think it has like a muffler delete. Clean as fuck though.
You think it has muffler?
Yeah, definitely. I don't think it's that loud stock.
Alright.
Honestly, I think I'd gap you in this one right here, boy. Fuck no, you ain't gap me shit.
Oh yeah.
Especially in 40 rolls.
Hey, shut up. Copyright.
I got
copyright.
the Subaru all-wheel drive STI. Oh, this guy almost stalled it. Don't crash the other fucking car.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing, boy.
Holy stall
What are you
out.
talking about?
Holy stall out. You almost stalled this bitch out, no cap. The newer ones have like nice clutches.
Oh yeah, this one's.
Like if you guys don't know how to drive a manual,
Getting one of these, you'll learn.
yeah, real quick.
None
It
of
won't
them
even
are.
let you stall out. Alright, so this Genesis, tell me if it does not look like a Bentley. This is the one I've been saying that looks kind of like the Bentley Bentayga, 4-wheel drive. You got the white interior. You got keys?
Why do they be parking them so close?
Shit, these are brand new fucking cars.
Tesla too, like all these nice ones we've been saying.
Yeah.
Tesla.
Oh, they are, huh? Yeah. These are all the Tesla trade-ins. Fuck it up. We got a full panoramic.
What do you think about the screen?
I mean, it matches this, so I get what they were trying to do. We'll pick another one up. Oh my god. Neck breaker.
Hold on, how do you go? Oh. Nice, look at that.
I
I don't know why they park them so close. I'm gonna fix it for you.
Oh, here we go. A lot of tendon at work.
Okay, here we go. There you go. I got you. Tesla, hire me.
Damn. You mean Manheim?
Yep.
Look at the big old brakes though. Damn, we're in car heaven right now. Is that a Viper? Remember the truck you've been talking about? Oh, it's
Panorama.
Pandemic. Damn, SRT too. Sheesh, 28,000 miles on it? Is that a manual?
This is a manual with the key.
Ooh, can I show them the interior real quick? This interior is gross.
It's dead.
Ah, we didn't have the jump pack either. That's kind of gross, I ain't gonna lie to you. Imagine getting gapped by this. Pop the hood. This is a beautiful truck. If you didn't know why it says Viper on it, it's got the big old V10 motor smashed inside there. There is. You can put 2 turbos right there.
Oh yeah?
It's twin turbo of the world. I think we can drive this around. Keep it a whole stack with you guys. So if you guys see us rolling around in Hellcat
and STI racing down these lanes,
just know it's us.
We outside.
Bing bong. But we're excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna see what we buy here. And now we see a bunch of regular degulars. The reason why we're not looking at the regular degulars that we're gonna buy is because these cars are actually gonna pass through the auction. We got a G-Wagon over there. Or the one in Tucson doesn't drive the cars through the auction because they don't have this big of a lot. This is insane. We're about to jump in this G-Wagon, probably take it around the lot.
G-Wagon. Oh, G-Wagon.
I'm gonna tell. Let's see, no camera. Excuse me, got a question for you.
Yeah.
So these cars, this is the first time I'm here.
Okay.
Are we allowed to, I don't know, circle around with them, or we just?
You can go back and forth in this spot. You can't.
Okay.
You can't drive them.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We can go back and forth in this very far, huh?
Yeah, I'll go.
And it's AMG. You want the driver?
G63?
No, you can't hop in no driver. Hell no, you're a hater. Yeah?
This is you.
Oh my god.
G63.
Hello. There's no keys, but oh my god. Look at this. It's perfect.
Damn, this is beautiful. I ain't gonna lie.
Interior of these G-Wagons. Oh my god. All Alcantara.
We got carbon fiber.
Bro, look at this steering
screen,
wheel.
though.
That screen is insane. This is beautiful, people. Like you see them on camera, like you're seeing it right now, but in person it's just different. Kind of like an army door or something.
Turbo with it.
Oh yeah, we gapping all the Hellcases in this.
Imagine getting gapped by a fucking G-Wagon.
A goody G.
If you could gap. Feel anything.
Brand new Cadillac.
Jeez. This bitch have gas? Look at this. We're not exaggerating. It's hot as out here.
It's dead like yacht.
Shit. It's hot like roadkill. Oh, we gotta turn the copyright down.
I hate that. I hate it.
Yeah, I don't like it either. I love. Está haciendo calor, compa.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.
We gotta cool down and then we'll go search for some more heat for y'all.
Yeah. It's actually 110 out here, just so you guys know. Oh, we drove the diesel here as well. The baby did perfect. Water in this bitch.
I'm down with some water.
Oh yeah.
You got cups, so. Oh, look at his back. Ooh. I got you, Mannheim. What was that? Here, take him in there.
So this is a GT 350 6-speed. See it? Pop the hood for you guys. Damn, these seats are competition seats right here. Cardias.
What's up with this screen though? What are they doing? Wah. What's this?
Let's see. Launch mode? Probably.
What?
Launch control, yeah.
Key in office. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness, guys.
I wish the keys were in this
This is a dream right here.
I'd rather have the keys to this on that Mustang.
Yeah. Well, this is right here is a dream.
Literally.
Look at the seat. Then we're gonna have to do a short, guys. Ooh, it's not too big, not too small.
Damn, the C63 is
It's too center cap thing.
This might have been an accident.
Oh, I like that. The wheel looks a little off for the one time. Shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
This is sexy.
Turbos?
Right there. This thing.
This thing is beautiful.
Fuck an E63, I'm getting a C60. True coupe. Look at that.
I feel like you can fit. Nah, maybe not.
Yeah, they're tiny.
I mean, yeah, like little people, but this guy having his ricer dreams.
You want to hear my rice? These are pretty decent.
Okay.
I like the green color on the outside for sure. Damn, that bitch is low. What the fuck?
High one. Is it?
Ooh, Z4.
Oh, the keys are in the.
This is a 335.
This would be what company.
Tell me how you
nigga.
feeling. All those bitches are about to be going ham. So we're at this Ram 1500 with the wrap on it.
Going
It definitely has lights. 'cause I can
lowered.
tell right there. Yeah, this bitch is loud. Got the bait camo on it. You can see what the sun did to the damn wrap.
Reds or what?
I'll give you 3 revs. Motherfuckers in Tucson, for all my Latinos, this truck is for USA.
That's for you.
Yeah, this bitch might be straight pipes. Let me turn off this copyright. Sorry,
Have some fun. This is my coworker's dream truck right here.
turn it on. Turn it on, turn it on. Oh yeah, left side. Damn, rookie.
Like you never had a Porsche before, huh?
I had a Panamera. Damn, look at the gauges and all this, bro. This shit
Beautiful.
see. Cool seats, cool seats. We're
Turn on
gonna chill
the
this
AC.
one.
Where's the AC at? Turn already down. Turn on, ho.
Oh, it's right here. It's a little gauge. Yeah, you're on.
Yeah, yeah.
Turn it off.
AC max.
Shit, I just push whatever. We got sport or is it
This
suspension?
joint
traction?
clean.
Damn, look at these paddles, bro. What the?
Even the back got it. Look,
This is nasty, bro.
we're getting a Panamera 100%.
Come on, we're going first.
Calm down. First gear hit. Watch out! Don't be an idiot. This one's already getting ideas in his head.
No, we're deaf. Damn,
Watch
that's-
out!
Get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. That you shit, gotta put it, get into it, yo. And I say that you gotta go.
Ooh, nice backup screen.
Nice and lowered. I'm already cool. It's like it's
This is perfect.
70 degrees outside. Mama, we made it.
We got your little clock right there.
Man, you just wanna ball up and designer with your best friends. You don't wanna tell no more about it in the past tense. Get me on my zone. I'm just talking comfort, shawty.
They got a Genesis coupe next to the AMG. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yep, this is one of the dream cars. AMG GTS. Come on now.
Hold up. AMG GTS.
You gotta sit in there, dude.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold up.
I gotta fix the seat. Yeah, we're burning this bitch right on the cap.
But
Ain't no key.
worth it. Damn. What are you talking about?
Take a snap of it.
Just a picture.
Photo right now. This is
Crazy.
beautiful.
So stupid. 2020.
Damn, they're just treating this like some garbage.
I don't like the disrespect.
The
Mozzie. See if you got a key.
Ooh, with the red guts.
Red guts, no key.
Ooh, look at this carbon on here.
Look at this.
Oh. Never mind, don't look at the carbon on this.
This is nice though. I like the blue like gauges.
This is
Clean.
nasty.
Oh yeah.
DJ, we found your whip.
This is what he wants.
He wants a Mozzie. I mean, he wants a two-door, but...
Two-door coupe. Hopping out like chick in the box.
This to myself, I don't know. But in better news, better than the way I'm feeling. Maddie today coming back to the valley at Chase Field. We'll talk more about how to win. Give me about 10 minutes.
I think so. This bitch is loud as fuck.
Do you think it's gonna be loud?
I don't know. It's got.
Oh, it's extenders,
God,
extensions, leg extensions.
shit, let me see.
Let's see if it's loud. It's straight pipe. That shit is loud,
Down now.
bruh. Headers?
You have to check under the.
Hold on, one more.
I see why you Mustang owners act all crazy. God.
We're gonna see what she got under the hood.
I woke up the dead with that. Fuck it.
We're dying out here. We're sweating, putting in the work. You know, we outside. Do I see headers? I don't really see any.
No, I don't think it has headers.
Straight pipe? That
Just
joint
straight
is
pipe.
loud. That joint is loud.
Okay, well, it's louder. Like I said, I think I woke up the dead.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have our straight pipe V8 very soon. We better wake up everybody. I don't think it's gonna be louder than this. Imagine a straight pipe V12 SVJ.
You got the Roush.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you that.
Bro,
we're in a Lambo and what?
Damn, bro, we're in a.